Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing good, and today we are back with another tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to implement dark theme mode and light theme mode in Flutter application. Okay, before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start the video. And first of all, I'll tell you why we are using this dark theme and light theme in our application. It's because now OS is providing Android OS is providing the dark theme mode, so that it can helps to reduce the strain in the eyes. So most of the users are preferring the dark theme. So because of the dark theme, our application should be using dark colors, especially when the user has selected the dark theme mode on the OS. So we'll cover this topic in our tutorial. So let's start with the code part. In the code you can see this is the main class, main.dart, and here we have this my app block, and this is the stateless widget class, and it is our first initial class. And you can see the theme method here, and we are using a provider for this theme state, which is our custom class. You can redirect to this class. Here we have this class, and it is using provider, which is a state management library. And here we have this constructor, and there we have methods get theme and set theme, which is just changing the theme, also returning the theme type, the current theme type. So that's how we are using. And let me show you how it's running. This is the simulator, and you can see a switch here, which we can now change the theme to dark theme. Now it's dark, the text color is white, and header also, the theme is totally changed, and we have handled this color also, text color same. When we go back, we change to light theme, the color is again the same, the dark text color and light header. As you can see, I'm changing, and it is automatically handling the text color and header also. That's how we have handled this dark theme and light theme in our code. So you can refer this code. We have a switch here which is changing the value. You can refer the code and use it in your application. I have added the description for the code link in the description part. You can find it and use it. And please comment if you find any issue, or if you want to know anything else, you can let us know. So thank you guys. We'll be back with another tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.